welcome to Fishing Weber's Kitchen. If you're new to our channel, welcome. Our channel is mostly about us fishing. We started fishing about a year ago in 2018 and got addicted. So if you want to be part of our journey, hit the subscribe button and say hello. So in today's video, we want to share with you how we make spiced tea. Spiced tea is, I think, it's just a perfect drink for the holidays. It's perfect drink to take it out when you fish, especially when the weather's like this. It's rainy, it's cold, and you just want to have something warm with you. So instead of bringing coffee or tea, you can bring a cup of spiced tea. That kind of rhymes. All right. Anyway, before we get started, let's roll that intro. Alright, so here are the ingredients that you're gonna need. You need 1 cinnamon stick, 2 tablespoons of cloves, 1 cup of sugar, and yes, I know it's missing a handle, 8 tablespoons of lime juice, 6 ounces of pineapple juice, half a can of this orange juice, and 6 bags of Lipton tea. Also, we need a 1 large pot and a smaller pot. The large pot we will fill up with 6 cups of water and a small one with 4 cups of water. So 4 cups of water in this one. And 4 cups plus 2. Now we're gonna turn on the stove. I'm gonna set it to high. And we need to let the water boil. It's boiling. Nice. So my helper's here. All right, what goes in first, Jake?
Cinnamon sticks.
So we're gonna put cinnamon sticks in a small bowl. 2 tablespoons of cloves. Go ahead. Yeah. Sugar. Yeah, 1 cup of sugar. Jake's gonna show you what he does with the tea bags. Does a twist and then you pull through.
Just a regular knot, not a specific fishing knot.
Yeah. All right, and then we drop the tea bags in a big pot. And then how long does this need to simmer for?
Turn the heat off and let it simmer for about 10 minutes while this is going.
Okay. All right. Tea should be ready. So we're just taking the tea bags out. Well, for whatever reason, I did not record, but the water that was boiling with spices, we transferred it to this pot by using a sifter. I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. Sometimes things like that happen. I was like talking to Jake in the middle of the process and the camera wasn't going. Good one. We transferred everything to this pot. And your apartment or your house is gonna smell so good from all these spices. And I had an open can of frozen orange juice, so we're gonna use that. Then you want to stir it all in. Yeah, we'll turn the heater back on. The stove. Just gonna set it on low. Oh, it smells so good, you guys. This is perfect, like holiday drink for your Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year's. Even you can make it for Halloween. And like I said, you can take this out fishing with you. Then you just want to pour it into a cup. So good. I definitely recommend you guys try it. It's the best tea I've ever had. Well, you guys, that was it for our video. Hope you enjoyed it. I hope you try it because it's so delicious. And thank you so much for watching. Leave us comments if you have any questions about the recipe. Give us likes and we'll see you later. Bye.